Hey everybody, happy Sunday. So Keandra and I are on our way to get something to eat. We are really hungry and we decided we wanted fresh to order. We love fresh to order. We like their fire grilled chicken. We like the salad and the meal. We're getting the meal. I know I'm getting the meal. You getting the meal? Yeah. We're getting the meal. And after that, I'm gonna go to, I think it's, what is it, Van Leeuwen or something like that, whatever, to get me some ice cream because I've been wanting it. I delayed having it the whole week. I'm proud of myself. So because tomorrow I won't be having that either. But yeah, so we'll likely show you guys our food, and then if we get a chance to like just walk around, I do want to walk around like probably at Ponce. We may not be able to go into any shops because they may be closed because it's Sunday, but I still want to get those steps in. So we will let you guys, of course, go along for the ride.
So y'all, we're standing here. Vince is opening in Ponce, and they're preparing. It's gonna be Spanx? No, but Vince is on the other. Oh, so
Wait, let me see the side that you're talking about.
it's on the other side. So supposedly Dossier, Spanx, and Vince are supposed to be in this building. But yeah, so we just finished. Kim was eating her ice cream, and I am about to go, and we're gonna get in the car.
Happy Tuesday. So I just kind of got up stirring around and I made my smoothie. Today I didn't add strawberry in there and I added a much more ripened banana. I don't think the last time I did have banana. The banana definitely helps to mask a lot of the beet juice flavor. But I didn't add frozen strawberries, and I think either adding ice or that extra fruit in there because I have frozen pineapples, fresh pineapple, and then blueberries, the frozen blueberries in there. Because what I noticed is that my cup was kind of overflowing. Thank you, Lord. But it was overflowing, and so I was having to kind of refill basically, and I didn't want to do that. So I have to kind of get the measurements right of what all I put in there. But it was almost like, it was actually like about here when I filled it up. So not putting the strawberries in there is a good choice for volume. But as far as like, it's not, you know, like a frozen smoothie kind of drink. It's very liquidy. And so I don't really like that. But at least the flavor, like I'm getting the juice that I need to get in, and I can eat, you know, fruit. But I do need to continue, like I said, to play with the different measurements of the fruit that I put in. But our mom, we were talking about the fresh pineapple that I got. You guys saw us buy the fresh pineapple last week. And I was able to cut it up, and I told my mom, was like, I think I'm gonna start getting whole pineapples and whole cantaloupe and, you know, stuff like that, because now I know how to pick it. And so I didn't know how to do that. But now that I know how to pick them, she purchased us this corer. And so it comes with a little slicer, like kind of like the apple slicer, but it's not for apples. They say don't use it on there because apples are harder than pineapple. So we're not supposed to use it on that, but I will be using this. But Keandra and I were on YouTube the other night, and we came across this girl who, her channel, she was at the DeKalb Farmers Market, and I don't think that farmers market is too far from us. She bought a pineapple, they cored it for her, and they sliced it up and put it in a bag, and she was able to take it home. And so I was like, ooh, that sounds like a really good idea to go there. But our mom had already purchased this. So of course I'll still use this, and I'll still get whole pineapples and stuff like that. But we are definitely gonna go and check out the farmer's market. So if you guys noticed, we didn't put up a vlog today. And we didn't put up a vlog today because when we sat down to edit, we realized that we didn't have enough footage. We focused on living noir and then on actually getting some rest. So last night on our live, we talked about our brand story, and everybody noticed how busy we've been throughout the years. And we were able to recount how busy we've been throughout the years and how many things that we're juggling either at once or things that we've juggled and, you know, just throughout our journey. So if you miss our lives, don't miss them. We have a really good time. Like, we talk, we laugh, like we have a really good time, like learning each other, our community learning us and us learning you guys. It's a really good time. And we talked about resting and the nature of entrepreneurship and things like that. And one of the things that is important in entrepreneurship and health, because as you notice, like drinking all the smoothies and all the beet juice and stuff like that, that is really good for what goes into your body. But rest is one of those things. Your body needs time to reset and recharge, and, you know, so that it can be ready for whatever it's taking on the next day. And Keandra and I, we have been this whole month putting in a lot of work, staying up long hours, editing videos, getting them out, and trying to be on time. And one thing that we need to recommit to is taking the time to rest and taking the time to forgive ourselves. There was one question that we had on one of our lives that was, how guilty, like, do you feel guilty when you have to rest? And, you know, we answered no, not realizing that we were not really taking our rest, our opportunities to rest. And while I don't feel guilty, we still weren't taking our opportunities to feel, you know, to have that rest. And so we were talking about the nature of, you know, how important it is to do that. And then, you know, getting out and grinding and things like that. There's definitely a time to grind. We are still grinding. We have our, you know, things that we've built in, because we said if we don't post a video, we'll definitely post a short, which is what we did. So there's always something that you can use as a backup plan whenever you are not physically available, you know, for whatever the work is, so that work can continue to be done, because it's important for all the milestones. As you guys know, we've crossed over many milestones, and now we have a new goal that we have that is within reach, thank God, which is 10,000 subscribers. We want to get to the 10,000 subscriber mark. And so as you're continuing on, yes, we've hit, of course, monetization. We, of course, hit the 1,000. We've hit all of these things that were very difficult to get to. But now, you know, of course, you can't stay stagnant. you want to continue to grow, and then so that you can continue to scale your business, because YouTube is a business. We have JolieNoire, and that gets the word out for our business for JolieNoire, but then YouTube itself is a business. And so we want to continue to scale. We want to continue to give you guys quality content that you love and enjoy, but we also want to get out to other people. So we have a lot of work cut out for us. We are, like I said, we are in reach, and so we're excited about that, but we did need a break. we needed a break. So you guys will get another video tomorrow, thankfully, and we will continue to rest, and we'll continue to take care of ourselves and our bodies, because we are getting older. So we know we need to, even pay even more attention to that, so that we can have the long life that God will satisfy us with. So, but yeah, we have I don't think we have any errands today. Today is kind of a light day. If we go out, it'll probably be just oh no, I do have to go out. I'm probably gonna go, I might do a video here for working out, or I might go to the gym, but I have to get in my workout for either one of those. So if I don't go to the gym, I'll do it right here in my room.